Hi, I'm Jackie. Today I'm going to talk about the topic is about dark matter. You you may not don't know what is dark matter. Let me tell you what is dark matter. My topic is focused on dark matter really exists. You can see from this picture, this one is the beginning of our universe. It's about Big Bang. After Big Bang, our universe is expanding and finally become nowadays structure. Dark matter is the one element that make the Big Bang to increase our space. What is the components of our galaxy? First off, the most of them is about dark energy. It's nearly 75%, and it is the main components of our galaxy. And the others is about dark matter. Dark matter is also a key element to make our galaxy expanding. And you can see dark matter is help to expand our galaxy before the dark age. You can see from this picture. You can see that we don't have anything, only helium and hydrogen, without other, for example, planets, star, etc. We don't have our sun, earth, other planets. And the dark energy let the universe acceleration the expanding. It's called the redshift structure. You may think, who is he? He is a scientist that found that the existence of dark matter. When he studied about the galaxy, he found that the lighting part of the galaxy is not enough for mass to hold its space in that orbit. If it only has such small mass, it will throw away and around is missing in this position. Otherwise, he suggests and give opinions about we have some matter is invisible. That called dark matter. So you can imagine watch your hand. Your hand now have about 75% of the dark matter pass through your hand. Very small. It's much more smaller than our atom. He used this law to calculate the speed. And if dark matter really exists, billions of these particles will pass through the galaxy few seconds, and although through the Earth and everything on it. You can see from this picture, this space you can imagine is our galaxy. And this thing is about dark matter. You can see that most of them is full of dark matter. And this point you can see that is the orbit about our expansion. And we can use the gravitational lensing to determine the dark matter. When you use that tool to watch, you can see the light will straight forward to pass through an object. When they pass through some galaxy, you will see that we will have a curved shape. That's why we use this method to test. In fact, according to and this one is one of the experiments that happen in our world every day. They put their laboratory below a mile underground. Why they put their laboratory under a mile? Because they don't want any other rays that will affect the experiment. For example, ultraviolet, X-ray, etc. that will interfere about with the dark matter. And it's called LUX dark matter experience. And they use this detector to test the dark matter. When the dark matter really pass through this, it will have a signal, dark matter signal that tests from the detector. and it contains about 3 tons of cooling liquid ethanol surrounded by the powerful sensor. It's designed to tiny flash of light and electrical charge emits of WIMP collapse with a ethanol atom with the tank. And this is put in the about 72,000 gallon and the water tank, and it's used to help to surround the race without any interfusion. And if finally is this reference, and in fact nowadays no experience in underground has found even one particle about dark matter. So dark matter really exists. You guess? I don't know.